Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, The Share Market Study. First of all, I would like to thank each and every one of you for subscribing and sharing my channel with your family and friends. In our first video, we have really got some good views, so thank you for that. So today, our topic is one multi-bagger paint company to invest. So I give couple of minutes to you guys to do a brainstorming that which stock am I talking about. So you can either opt for a lump sum investment or go with an SIP mode, systematic investment plan in these stocks. The best part is that if you want to do SIP in this stock, one can start with an amount as low as around 1600 odd per month. Detailed analysis on these stocks and will be presenting all facts and figures in front of you and will also be guiding you on major parameters you should look into before making any investment. So guys, before we dive into the detailed analysis, please do like, share, subscribe the channel for regular updates on various aspects of stock market. So now let me tell you the stock that I am referring to. Yes, here it's on your screen. It's Berger Paint. So you might be wondering why am I looking at the website of the company. So it's because I want to understand the business model of the company. What are the product offerings it has for its customers? So we go to the menu and we check the budget products. So here they have got exterior, interior wall coatings. They have got metal finishes, wood finishes, glass finishes, undercoatings as well as waterproofing solutions. So they have got a wide range of products under their umbrella. So right now we go and check at some of the parameters, fundamental parameters of the company. So yes, here it is. So the market cap of Berger Paint is around 81,254 crores. Currently it is trading at around 837, 840 level. The stock PE is 96.2. You guys might be wondering that the PE is too high. If it comes down, then I'm going to invest. So the thing is, like in such FMCG companies, the PE ratios that you will get these PE ratios at a higher level only. Now the next very important parameter that I have discussed in my first video also, that is the ROCE and the ROE. The ROCE is nothing but the return on capital employed, whereas ROE is return on equity. So it has got an ROCE of around 27.3%, whereas ROE of 23.8%. So according to me, if any company gives you an ROCE and ROE of more than 15%, then it has really made some good wealth for its investors. The face value of the company is 1 rupees. So now I'm comparing it with the 50 days moving average of the company. So right now the company is trading at a level a bit higher than the 50 DMA. Yes, a couple of weeks back it was trading below 50 DMA. That was a good level to invest for, but nevertheless, the levels are never missed. You always get opportunities in the market to invest. So don't worry. I'll tell you the levels you have to enter again. So now look at the peer comparison of the company. So yes, the Asian Paint has got the largest market cap of around 3,20,981 crore, followed by Berger Paint with 81,253 crores. So these are some of the very good companies to invest for long term. Now let me take you to the profit and loss. The sales of the company, as you can see over here, that year on year the sales of the company has really increased. So that's a good sign. The operating profit of the company has also increased, and in March 2021, it stands to be around 1,182 crores, which is a good jump from the previous years. It was a pandemic, and still the company managed to end at a higher operating profit. The net profit of the company stands to be around 720 crores. That has also increased YOY. Next, very important parameter that I want to highlight over here is stock price CAGR, that is compound annual growth rate. So, in 10 years, the company has given a CAGR of 36%. That is, every year it has given you returns of around 36%. In 5 years, it has given a return of 26%, and in 3 years, it has given a return of 40%, which is a very good sign. So whenever if someone has invested in this company, they have made money. So this indicates that it has created a good wealth for its investors. Now let us look at the balance sheet. So here the total liabilities versus the total assets. The company total liabilities and assets stands to be almost at the same level. So the company is a debt-free company, which is a very good thing. So one thing which is very important before investing in any company that whether the company has got some free cash flows with it or not. So this company has got a phenomenal growth in terms of free cash flows. So as of March 2021, it has a net cash flow of around 57 crores, which is a good sign as well. So now let me tell you the shareholding pattern of the company. So the promoters hold around 74.98% as of June quarter of 2021. The FIIs hold around 11.25%, whereas the DIIs hold around 4.07%. The public has a holding of around 9.69%, which is again a good scenario. So now let's dip into the technical part of the company, whereas you can look at the chart and I'll be telling you at what level you should enter, whether you are doing an SIP mode or whether you are going for a lump sum investment. So currently the stock is trading at 840 levels. So if you get the stock somewhere around 815 to 820, you start investing two stock. You can start investing two stocks every month. So it will come around 1600 something. So you can do this. If the stock corrects 5% or 7%, then you can, instead of buying two stocks every month, you can increase the number by four stocks every month. So likewise, if the stocks falls by 10%, 15%, keep increasing the numbers by two every month. So that's how you create wealth. I'll tell you one parameters which has led to the increase. The company got a very good support at around 480 to 490 levels, and from there the company has got shown a phenomenal growth. So it is but obvious that the company might correct in due course of time. And if you are a lump sum investor, you can do one thing that at around 800 levels, you can think of investing around. If you have got a investment capital of 1 lakh for Berger Paint, you can think of investing 15 to 20,000 rupees. And likewise, at every 5 or 10% dip, you can increase your investment like 20,000, then next 40,000, and so on. So now I'm telling you how much wealth you are going to create in both SIP as well as lump sum mode. So if you are doing an SIP, so you're buying two stocks every month with a capital of around 1600 plus. So I'm taking an expected return rate of 20%. Okay, on a safer side, I'm showing you. So if you will be at the end of 30 years, you will be investing around 5,76,000 in this company, and you will be making a total profit of around 3 crore 73 lakh 77,000. So you'll be getting a total return of 3 crore plus. So this is I would say miracle. So if you're 20 years of your age right now, if you're in college, you can start investing from 20, and at the 50 you will be having a corpus of more than 3 plus year. So I'll tell you, if you are doing a lump sum investment, so see, if you have got a capital of 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh rupees with you, so expected CAGR of 20%, time period of 30 years. So with the investment of mere 1 lakh, you will be making around 2 crore plus rupees. So this is how you have to do the investment. So thank you guys. If you have enjoyed the video, please do like, share and subscribe. I'll be bringing more quality contents for you. Thank you.